Hi, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So to change the lock screen wallpaper we got a couple of ways and let's just try the first one. So this is the regular way how you could change your wallpaper. You should open first the settings and after that scroll down to wallpaper section. Here click just we could see our current wallpapers, the lock screen, tap here to customize and here tap okay, you could also add the widgets here. So just to change your wallpaper, you should click here to add new wallpapers and you could use photos from your device gallery or to create your own photo with the emojis or just with the help of the weather, or also to select one from these available wallpapers. You could use them. As you could see here we got so many different wallpapers, so we could use the just astronomy and weather options, the kaleidoscope to create some wallpapers with the emojis. We could switch these emojis here. As you could see, we could add them and to remove the emojis. We could also here switch the color of the clock to make it more bold or just light. To switch the for example the time from Arabic to Indic or another clocks. So we could switch here also some widgets or to add the new widgets, so by this way you could customize your lock screen. And just to save the changes, click to add, set as wallpaper pair, or you could also customize your home screen by another way. And after that you could select this wallpaper or you could switch them. How to do that? Just when your device is locked, hold for a while home screen and switch it to another one and just tap to customize if you want to make some changes. Also we got one more way how we could do that. So you should just hold the home screen the lock screen with your finger when the device is locked. You could select one from the available wallpapers or also you could create them from here. Just switch the currently wallpaper to add new, tap to this plus icon, and by the same way you could use one from the available wallpapers or to create the new wallpapers. Just tap to add, set as wallpaper, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.